It's a 7-day plan that will require discipline, but also help you hit your weight loss goals. Let's start. GM Diet Day 1. Okay, this is the gateway to your diet, the door you step through, and therefore it's the most important day. Treat it accordingly. The first day of the GM diet is an all-fruit day. That's right, you heard me correctly, all fruit all the time. You can eat all the fruit that you want and eat it whenever you want. Fill up on fruit, and then some. There are literally no restrictions, except one. Do not eat bananas on the first day of the GM diet. Stick to fruits like watermelon and cantaloupe. At the same time, you want to drink at least 8 glasses of water. Try to go for 12 to get the full effect. Remember, on day 1, you're eating nothing but fruit. That means no grains, no meat, no dairy, and no vegetables. If you get hungry, eat more fruit and drink more water. GM Diet Day 2. Day 1 was all about fruits. Day 2 is all about vegetables. You're going to want to eat vegetables and only vegetables on day 2. It doesn't matter whether they're raw or cooked, it only matters that you're only eating vegetables. However, one very important thing to remember is that these vegetables cannot be cooked in oil. If you're going to cook them, you should boil or steam them instead. Also remember to keep up your water consumption. You're looking for at least 8-12 glasses on day 2. GM Diet Day 3. On day 3, you're going to be combining the rules of day 1 and day 2, and eating only fruits and vegetables for the entire day. No potatoes and no bananas, strictly the fruits and veggies you had access to on day 1 and day 2. Either eat all fruit in the morning, veggies in the afternoon, and fruit in the evening, or go veggies in the morning, fruit in the afternoon, and veggies in the evening, whatever you prefer. Keep up drinking water. 8-12 glasses, minimum. GM Diet Day 4. This is the first day that you're going to switch things up. On day 4, all you should eat is bananas. That's it, just bananas. Eat a minimum of 8-10 bananas over the course of the day. Also extremely important on day 4 is to drink 3 glasses of milk and water whenever you're thirsty. Space out the milk over the course of the day. Whenever you're hungry, eat a banana. If you eat all 8-10 bananas over the course of the day, you won't feel hungry, just space them out. GM Diet Day 5. Switching things up again, day 5 is all about tomatoes and rice. Eat a cup of rice for lunch, and eat at least 6 to 7 tomatoes over the course of the day. Remember, this will produce a lot of uric acid in your body. Therefore, you should up your water consumption. Aim for at least 12 to 15 glasses of water on day 5 and you'll be golden. GM Diet Day 6. On day 6, you'll be eating a cup of rice for lunch again, and combining that with vegetables all day. Stick to an all-vegetable diet on day 6. This is actually the most crucial day of the entire diet for water, so you absolutely must make sure to drink at least 8-12 glasses of water on day 6. If you can do that, you're almost done. GM Diet Day 7. This is it, the last day. You made it. On the last day of the GM diet, you can eat a cup of rice for lunch. Other than that, you want to stick with an all-vegetable diet for the rest of the day. To drink, you can drink all the fruit juice that you want. This will flush your digestive system fully and leave your body in the optimum state.